Let's get this cold start going for y'all before the POV in the snow, man. POV driving the snow, man. Let's get it. Oh! Let's get it. I'm already sliding everywhere and I just started driving. Let's go around this corner. Oh shit, I'm gonna have so much snow on my tires, my car not even gonna go no more. I gotta hit the main roads real quick.
You got it.
Yeah, let me spin real quick and come back around. Bro, that's how easy it is for this car. It's crazy. Like, I'm not even doing nothing, bro. I'm just tapping the gas with my big toe. Alright, let's go. Before I blow my motor. Let's get it, shawty. Oh, I'm definitely not going that way. And I gotta watch it too. I gotta watch it too because my car is so low. My lip will get fucked up because, you know, the snow be so high. I ain't trying to fuck my lip up for this video. I'm trying, you mean? Alright, let's go. POV dropping the snow, man. Let's get it. I don't want to go too crazy. I can't really hit it too hard, y'all. Y'all know that. You mean? POV dropping the snow gonna be a little slow. Can't be fucking my shit up, you mean? You gotta be careful. Take it nice and easy. And enjoy the car. Enjoy the sound. Oh my god, this salt gonna fuck my shit up though. I don't like that. They didn't plow shit, bro. It do look nice though when it snows. Look at the trees. Look at the side of the road. Look pretty cool. Ooh. Fuck. There's a lot of salt, bro. I'm gonna have to clean this shit off though, ASAP. I'm not trying to fuck my paint up. Oh!
They came down neighborhood though.
Yeah, right my ass. Nah, they did, huh? Oh nah, there's a lot of black ice over here. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, take it slow, take it slow. Can't be banging out for y'all and shit, you feel me? Cause then we ain't gonna have no more videos. Don't do that, right? Don't do that. My baby in the tractor trailer. On the tractor trailer. Howdy, partner. Howdy. How's it hanging? Ew! Howdy. Nah, this is all salt. Yo, my car is fucked. Yeah, I'm going straight to the car wash. They gonna be like, what the fuck is this nigga doing here? Oh, fuck, bro. Salt, salt, salt. Oh, no. Oh, no. Damn, my car don't look like yours. Sorry.
Alright, now.
This shit was crazy, yo. I had salt everywhere on it.
But it is snowing,
No, it's not snowing no more.
isn't it? It was snowing.
Yeah, it was snowing. My bad. Yeah, you should have said that. It was snowing.
Okay, it was. So.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh. Oh. Ooh. I'm gonna go away from the salt, bro. This shit is busting. I think I just went right over. I'm a dickhead. Oh. Damn. 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 No grip in the snow at all.
Did a whole 360 to
Yeah, facts. This shit need a wash bad. I already know, man. Look at my old high school, man. They rebuilding it. It's a little too wet for me to be doing all that. You hear me? Shout out my Hassa heads, man. So regal, you hear me? Should we just get the bagels now?
yeah.
We're gonna go get some breakfast. Cause your boy hungry. Oh my goodness, bro. What the fuck? They're not even open.
People walking, look. Let's see.
Let's get this breakfast.
Like, you're gonna move.
Oh shit.
It's so free.
Where's the bagel shop? Let's get some breakfast real quick, y'all. Catch up with y'all when we done. Boom! Oh, you know what I mean? Got my breakfast bit. Oh. Something. We was gonna eat inside because I don't like eating in my car, but it was packed in there. We had no seats open. Damn. Oh my goodness. Oh my gooseneck. I'm about to get into this bagel, man.
Oh, look at that.
She don't like egg, bro. She just got cheese, sausage, and bacon. Like,
oh my god.
Damn. Man, my cheese fucked. Jumping. All right, y'all. Spawn back on the road. We back, man. The POV in the snow. Look how nice it looks out there. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. They ain't get this. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. I slid already. I ain't. Oh. Oh. I got traction control on, so now it's trying to grip. Let me slow down so I can turn it back off. Turn it off. This is how you turn traction control on. You hold that button, and then you should see it go. Bling! Traction control off. Then you can have fun. This is done by professionals only, y'all. Do not try this at home. You mean? Let's get back, man. I'm about to probably end it in a little bit. POV drive. I got gave y'all a little something in the snow, man. I mean, somewhat on the snow. I can't really like drive on the snow. Y'all know that. Because if I drive on the snow, I'm probably gonna have to get a new car because I'm gonna bang out. Oh! I hit a bird. Damn, that bird, see? Stay in the street, bro. You gotta get out the street, man. Gotta get out the street, man. You mean? Oh shit, oh shit.
You just hit the bird.
No, the bird hit me. The bird hit me, bro. I'm sorry. Better not fuck my paint up. I'm gonna be tight. No bullshit. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Slipping and sliding. Slipping and sliding. Damn, that bird really just KO'd. He'll be alright. He only went to sleep for a little bit.
That nigga going.
I think he just got knocked out. I ain't hit him that hard.
Oh, poor birdie.
Damn, that bird just KO'd. Nah, he ain't dead, man. He just got knocked out a little bit.
See? Look at this guy. He's still sleeping.
Go back and you'll
I'm not going back there. He alright, he alright. Yeah, get all that snow off my car. Woo! Alright, y'all, I'm gonna stop it here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want me to see. I'm over here fucked up. I can't talk for shit. I just killed a bird and I can't talk. But nah, drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, man. Let me know what else you guys want to see. It's your boy SRT Rick. And we out, man.
How to get cash, call it OT. Pulled up with a bitch look like Angelina Jolie. I just put a 3+1 in the Fago. Lord Broski in the back strap like Django.